c'est madame. We're going to be looking at chapter 3 today. Chapitre 3, Presque Mort. So this one has a lot of repetition, and you'll see that she's going to be re-explaining what already happened. So hopefully some of the vocabulary words will be familiar to you. So it says en écrit. Now this first word écrit, I might not know it, but on écrit une lettre. And what do you do with letters? You write them. So this is the verb écrire. Écrire is the verb to write. It does not follow the normal patterns, so that's a funky looking verb for us. So on écrit une lettre à son ami Lise. Lise est en vacances à Tahiti avec sa famille. On écrit. So who is she writing a letter to? Son amie Lise. And where is Lise? Lise est en vacances à Tahiti avec sa famille. So Tahiti is a Polynesian island that's French speaking. So vacances, vacation. On écrit. Ma chère Lise. Okay, so how do we start letters? Dear. So she starts with ma chère Lise, meaning my dear Lise. Je t'écris. Okay, I am writing. Now, this is a weird thing here. They say, you am writing. In English, we say, I am writing to you. But here in French, they say that first. Why would she be writing her friend? Je t'écrire pour te dire que je suis très heureuse. Now, if this was an emotion and then you had to guess what that meant, it means happy. Okay, so it's feminine. In the masculine form, it would have an X here instead of a SE. Je vais en France aujourd'hui. Je vais à l'aéroport cet après-midi. Le voyage va prendre 10 heures. These two verbs mean the same thing, but for different subjects, right? So je, I, versus it, the trip. Both of these words mean go or going. So I am going to the airport this afternoon. Le voyage va prendre 10 heures. The trip's going to take 10 hours. Ce n'est pas un vol direct. It's not direct flight. So this word is our flight word. Je vais arriver à Paris à l'aéroport Charles de Gaulle. Je pars à 8h30 ce soir, c'est-à-dire à 20h30, comme on dit en France. Je vais arriver à Paris demain à 6h30 du matin. Je vais voyager avec la compagnie aérienne Air France. Madame Stevens dit que la nourriture est excellente. On va peut-être manger de la mousse au chocolat et des gâteaux. So she's talking about her flight here and information about it. So when she's arriving, arriver. So I'm leaving at 8 o'clock at night and I arrive at 6:30 in the morning. So it's that bizarre time change. So you leave at night and you get to the other country in the morning because of all of those hours that you're gaining going over to Europe. I'm going to arrive to Paris at 6:30 in the morning. So 6:30, she's arriving. I'm going to travel. Okay, so there's different air companies. So Air France, United, Northwest, I don't even know. And in general, when you talk about flights, you eat on the plane because you're on the plane for 8 hours. You're going to have a dinner. And traditionally, the food is terrible, but Madame Stevens dit que la nourriture est excellente. Honestly, Air France does have decent airline food. Maybe, this is the word for maybe, eating chocolate mousse and cakes. Je suis super excitée. Je suis tellement heureuse. So a word we could put here instead is je suis très heureuse. I'm very happy. Or this is like, I am so happy. Tellement. Continuing, let's finish the letter. J'espère que tu passes de bonnes vacances à Tahiti. Grosse bise, Anne. How do you finish a letter? I usually say love ya, peace and love. Okay, so maybe sincerely. But to your friends, usually keep it pretty XOXO maybe. Grosse bise means, you guessed it, fat. And this word is kisses. So mwah, big kisses on. All right, we're going to stop there. Going to try to stop.